Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the thrilling world of the Xenomorph Horror Action Figure Building Kit, a fantastic set compatible with LEGO, designed for adults and perfect for boys aged 8 to 14 years and up. This kit features 558 easy-to-install pieces, and with the detailed instructions provided, assembling it becomes a delightful step-by-step adventure. Building this action figure is not just about fun, it's a great way to enhance hand-eye coordination, foster divergent thinking, and boost problem-solving skills, all while inspiring creativity and brain development. Once completed, this action figure makes a striking decoration for your home or even a beverage shop, adding a unique touch to any space. Whether it's for New Year's Day, Christmas, a birthday, or any special occasion like Halloween or STEM activities, this kit is a wonderful gift idea. Measuring 4.72 by 3.54 by 9.84 inches, the Xenomorph figure is an impressive addition to any collection, and the package box itself is compact, making it easy to store or wrap as a gift. So gather your family or friends and embark on this exciting building journey that promises not only entertainment but also a rewarding sense of accomplishment. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.